Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to study about fractions, and basically we are focusing on a very basic fractions. When we can understand a very basic fractions, then in the next video we will study about a harder questions. So now we only have these kind of questions and it's very easy, right? We were talking about only adding and subtracting fractions. So let's get started. So we have only 4 questions: A, B, C, and D. So let's solve A together. So for A we have 2 thirds plus 7 thirds. So as we can see, we have the same denominator, right? So when we have two fractions adding together and it has the same denominator, then we can put the same denominator and then add the numerator together. So we have the same denominator, which is 3. So now we take 2 plus 7, then equal 2 plus 7 equal 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equal, it's easy, right? Okay, then now we have B 1/5 minus 6/5. We keep the same denominator, which is 5, and then we take numerators, subtract with each other, so that will be 1 minus 6, that will be equal to minus 5. So equal minus 5 divided by 5, then equal to minus 1. So 5 divided by 5 equal to 1, right? Okay, then next we have C. Now we have different numerator, right? We have 2 and we have 3. It is not the same denominator as A and B. So what we have to do here is we have to find the same denominator for both fractions. So then the same denominator for both fractions, we have to multiply the first fraction with 3, and then the second fractions have to multiply with 2. So here's what we have to do. We have 7 divided by 2. So the same denominator for these two fractions, which is equal to 6. So 2 times with 3 equal to 6. And then we also have to multiply the numerator with 3. Okay? And then plus we have these fractions, which is 4 divided by 3. Then we have to multiply the denominator 3 with 2. And then we also multiply the numerator 4 with 2. Alright, then equal. So here's 7 multiplied by 3 equal 21. And then divide by 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2 equal 8 divided by 6. Now we already have the same denominator, which is 6. So then we can put the same denominator for these two fractions, and then we add the numerator with each other, which is 21 plus 8 equal 29, which divide by 6. Alright, so now we cannot simplify the numerator with denominator. Okay, so that will be the answer. Here we go. The next question, D. We have 8 fifth minus 4 fifth. So what we have to do, we have to find the same denominator as well as question C here, because we have different denominator for these two fractions. So then we have to multiply 5 with the 3 and 3 with the 5, because the same denominator here is 15. Okay, so now we have these two fractions and minus this. All right, and then we have to multiply 5 with 3, and then we also multiply 3 with the numerator, and then for the second fraction here we have to multiply with 5, so then that will be 3 multiplied by 5. So the numerator here 4 also have to multiply with 5, so we have 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, then equal 8 multiplied by 3, or 8 times 3, that will be equal to 24. Divide by 5 multiplied by 3 equal 15. Then minus, and then minus 4 multiplied by 5 equal 20, and then 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15. So now we have the same denominator here, which is 15. So we keep the same denominator, and then we subtract the numerator with each other. So we have 24 minus 20. That will be equal to 4 divided by 15. So we cannot simplify the numerator with denominator. Okay, then that will be the final answer. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand step by step. So when we have the same denominator, so we just keep the same denominator, then adding or subtracting the numerator. But when we don't have the same denominator, we have to find the same denominator first, and then adding or subtracting the numerator afterward. I hope you understand, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.